Here at Zero to Awesome, we like to do all jobs twice. Clutches, intake manifold things, oil pressure sensors, whatever, fuel rails, you know.
You really get that sense of accomplishment once you've practiced multiple times.
Got one of those will fit down in one of those cylinders. 10 points if I can make a popcorn in the cylinder. Oh, this is the perfect song to vacuum out gasoline to.
I'm gonna stand over here.
It's probably safer.
Stop, 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 stop. There's fuel just pouring out the bottom of the car. Oh, hi there. 2013, Rego Unlimited, just rolled over 100,000 miles, and it's recently become my daily driver. So it's time to bring it into the 21st century, even though maybe that's where it came from. A couple things we're gonna do. First of all, check engine light is on, and I need an inspection, so the check engine light has to go away. Secondly, I'm very tired of using my nice little cable to adapter to phone for music. It's time to bring that up to current standards of Bluetooth. And then third, fluids need to be changed, and needs a couple other little features to make it a capable, reliable daily driver for another 100,000 miles.
This is what we have to tackle today / probably tomorrow. The oil pressure sensor that Alan mentioned. Socket for said oil pressure sensor. The radio that's going to be going in. Luckily, it has this nice Chinese installation instructions that go with it, so that'll be great. Gaskets for after we take the engine apart. Ooh, you're doing speakers too.
Ooh, this is gonna sound so good.
And we're also installing popcorn. It's gonna be great.
Might be some ants after the popcorn, but it'll be tasty.
Next step, hose off, hose off. Other hose, pain in the ass, came off. Bolt, where the main wiring harness is, oh, pry that up. Bolt comes out, nut, you may not have to remove those. They're also hot, watch out.
This is it. Right in here. So we skipped a little bit, but here's how it works. Plug comes off this top thing right here, the doodad, and then you have this other whatchamacallit plug, which is actually the oil pressure sensor plug that is now covered up by this socket, and then it just kind of, oh, I can't see that, just kind of comes out. Well, I used a wrench on it first, but now it's just coming out slowly. God, I need a wrench again. It's one of those situations where it's tight and then loose, and all it does is wind up pissing you off. Oh, cross-threaded. And you tighten it down to about yay tight. The Pilgrims used that torque specification a lot.
And now it's time to play. Is it tight enough? You tell me if that's as tight as you want it, or if you want it tighter. Usually you play this game with a girl, but we don't have any girls here, so we're just gonna play it by ourselves.
I don't want to play this game. I mean, worst case scenario, we do this again tomorrow.
Worst case scenario, just find the oil.
Worst case scenario, I can't say it on camera because it involves insurance fraud.
Yeah. There's an insurance claim soon after this video is shot. It has nothing to do with this repair procedure. Wow. You want some simple blue plus yellow?
Oh, I'd love some blue plus yellow. So weird, it smells like simple green.
You know, some things just smell like other things.
Alright, back to where you belong. Oh, it's just in the engine. How many things are we gonna drop in the engine? Hey, where are we about to go?
The parts store, because we lost parts. They're either in the engine or around the engine.
We lost like one part. Just one.
Kind of makes the car go though.
Went to the store, found the missing O-ring seals, and also got a few other complimentary prizes.
So,
We were just about to start the car. I was inside changing the cabin air filter. Alan's like, oh, everything's ready to go. There's loose bolts in here. What are you thinking, man?
In my defense, they're like 50 volts. You missed 2. Really?
I mean, not the most important two, but come on.
Does it smell like gas in here to you?
Oh, absolutely.
It smells really gassy.
It does. Okay. What's gonna catch on fire?
Well, Alexa, play music. Oh, this is the perfect song to vacuum out gasoline to. I travel with one now.
Oh, excellent.
Everything's put back together. There were some minor incidents involving gasoline in the reassembly, but I feel like we're prepared for that situation.
Yes.
Let's start her up.
I'm gonna stand over here.
It's probably safer.
Stop. There's fuel just pouring out the bottom of the car. At least I think it's fuel.
Yeah, it could be oil.
It's pretty clear. Yeah, maybe those injectors weren't seated enough.
Yeah, it smells like gas. Well, time to. Oh god, that's like pure gasoline.
So if you look very closely, how do you do this? Very closely. Oh, well, somewhere down in there we have a leaky boy. He's just spewing up stuff.
Take 2 was good. Doesn't leak gas anymore. We forgot to put something in.
How important do you think that is?
I ask myself 2 questions. 1, it's a piece of foam, right? 2, have you ever known an American car company to spend an extra 5 cents on a part they don't need?
Yeah, but who puts foam in engines?
Who really puts foam?
You know, it's probably just like anti-vibration type stuff.
Yeah.
You like vibrating seats, right?
Yeah.
Let's put it back in, whatever.
Well, we got that back in. Ready to button her up and get down the road. Ah, yes. Steven keeps a very clean garage. This mess wasn't here when it started. This is all of the wiring loom after 5 years in a Jeep engine bay. So, you know, that doesn't last very long.
Alan had a little incident getting the Jeep out of the garage.
In my defense,
Oh god.
this
Casualty.
little piece of trim, it's not like the house is like 3 months old or anything.
Well, at least you didn't catch it on fire. That's not
True. Today on Woodworking with Alan.
Ah, yes.
Step number 1, run over the house.
Step number 2, clamp the house.
I hit a perfectly parked house.
It just came out of nowhere.
Oh no. Oh no. So Alan just went inside and made the mistake of leaving me alone with his Jeep. And it turns out that no 100,000 mile maintenance is complete without
Unicorn stickers. So, we are going to discreetly place these inside of Alan's Jeep. See? Isn't that nice? You can get, I don't know, at least another 200,000 miles out of this vehicle now. That's the only one I'm going to put on camera, though. Good luck finding the rest, Alan.
Oh, I need your 6th biggest socket, please.
So we drained a lot of the coolant out of the Jeep. Not all of it, we couldn't get all of it out, but now it's time to fill it back up. So, you know, half and half mixture, antifreeze. The water isn't working right now, so we're just gonna use Topo Chico. I heard that's fine, it's just like sparkling water. We don't have regular Topo Chico though, we only have lime. So I'm guessing it might be, dude, you're spilling Topo Chico all over the car.
Oh, well, it's mineral water, it'll clean up nicely.
We think lime is just like some natural flavoring, so it's probably okay, just as good as the regular stuff.
So here's a big question. Will the check engine light go away?
Oh, it'll go away, just whenever it comes back or not.
What is that you're using there?
So it's a Wi-Fi OBD2 thing, and I have to remember how to use it. He's trying. You got a few.
I got a few? Uh-oh.
So, intake air temperature, circuit high. Engine oil pressure. Manifold barometric pressure, circuit high. Throttle position, circuit high. Throttle position, circuit low. Alright, no codes.
Oh my god. It's been so long since I've been able to start the car and not be graced by the little yellow engine. I'll settle for that. Power! We've done all the important things. The car works. Now it's time to install some knockoff Chinese audio.
Now that we've fixed the car, it's time to take it apart and possibly make it not work again.
So, the Jeep, when you buy it from Chrysler, or Jeep, or Fiat, or whoever it is, you can get the nice touchscreen, all the controls, fancy things like that, and if you want to add it afterwards, it's about $1,000. So what we have here is not the original OEM Mopar head unit. We have a clone ordered from China. Basically, someone stole the intellectual property, or maybe the patent expired. I don't know. I don't want to use the word steal online where people can see this. My name's not Alan. Goodbye, headphone jack. I'll see you in hell. Goodbye, CD. I'll see you in hell. Goodbye, change tray. I'll see you in hell. Actually, I need that one. How to take this out. How to take this out. Nobody really knows how to take this out. I don't know what Steven did for his first career, but I don't think it was legal.
That is that's a brake drum spring remover. You probably need one of those.
It's a brake drum spring remover. That's what he says.
So here we have the Jeep dashboard.
Alan screwed it up.
Alan screwed it up.
So rusty in here. Old radio came out.
Okay.
Time to put the new radio in. First I have to find it. Wires. Okay, so there's a bunch of USB cables. Don't know what those are for. Nope. There's another USB cable. Don't know what that's for. Hey, will you read the very first bullet point under important safety information?
Do not attempt to install or service this product by yourself. If you don't have training, it could be hazardous. You could get shocked.
Challenge accepted. Ah, yes. Put a hole in the Jeep. Now that the trivial matters are taken care of, it's time to do the most important thing. To really keep this on the road for another 100,000 miles, we're gonna need better sounding speakers.
For your ears.
Old nonsense. New
nonsense.
New nonsense. It's been a busy day.
Yes.
What did we get done today?
There was engine things.
Engine things. Twice.
Two
Engine
times.
things.
Yeah.
Oil switch.
There's that. Radiator shenanigans.
Radiator things.
Mhm.
Difficult to drain. Oil itself. Oil switch ain't oil.
Black gold.
Texas tea. A lot of filters.
Number of filters.
Number of filters. This thing
This thing. Yes.
turned out well.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in so many accidents. Most importantly, the speakers.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
They're working.
Cars don't have medical insurance.
Cars don't have medical insurance.
Oh, I can put another light bulb in.
This is what we go through to bring the finest video quality.
I hope you appreciate it.
I don't know if these people are just staring at us.
Just people staring at us?
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, they didn't even wave back. There's so much gas stolen there.
Yeah.
Famous last words. Let me see how much gas is stolen there. Didn't need a flashlight, just give me like a lighter match.
Oh, or it's fuel that we spilled.
Ooh, I like that better. Let's drop a match and just figure it out once and for all. It really helps keep you alert and attentive as you drive. And the music is just so loud you go deaf.
Unlike your nose.
What? This is for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, Jeep Commander, Dodge Durango, Dodge Dakota, Jeep Liberty, PT Cruiser, Dodge Nitro, Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Dakota, Jeep Liberty, PT Cruiser, Dodge Nitro, Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Dakota, Jeep Liberty, PT Cruiser, Dodge Nitro, Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Dakota, Jeep Liberty, PT Cruiser, Dodge Nitro, Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Dakota, Jeep Liberty, PT Cruiser, Dodge Nitro, Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Dakota, Jeep Liberty, PT Cruiser, Dodge Nitro, Jeep Wrangler 2-door, 4-door.